Hi everyone, Wagwan. Welcome back to my channel. You know it's Ballecia, and I'm here today again with another work from home opportunity, this time from Instacart. Okay? And no, it's not for grocery deliveries, this is for corporate. Let's get right into it. So, the first job, the job that I want to review with you is Senior Associate, and this would be in the business operations. Okay, so here it says, at Instacart we invite the world to share love through food because we believe everyone should have access to the food they love and more time to enjoy it together. Now let's go down some more. Now, as it relates to Instacart is a hybrid remote team, so most of their roles are open to in-office, flex, or remote work, and you can see that right over here. All right, it's stated on their website. Now, as it relates to the job, let's do an overview. Instacart's strategy and business operations team moves quickly to set direction for our organization and solve Instacart's toughest cross-functional problems. This is a rare opportunity to impact an innovative, industry-leading company with high visibility into Instacart's product, engineering, analytics, operations, business development, and finance teams. Now, let's go down and talk about the job. Now, you're going to conduct quantitative research and analysis requiring complex data retrieval that results in compelling recommendations for our senior leadership team. Design sustainable solutions while persuading and aligning various stakeholders, turning your strategic recommendations into reality. Develop a rigorous and detailed understanding of the P&L across multiple dimensions to understand critical revenue drivers and develop insights. You're going to serve as the primary cross-functional liaison between Instacart's marketing, product, data science, and finance teams. Now, this is what they're looking for. All right, they're looking for in you work experience in a relevant field with demonstrated cross functional influence, and a track record of leveraging data for business impact. Ability to deep dive into data, identify and quantify opportunities, and design creative and sustainable solutions. Proficiency in SQL required. Okay, so this is a requirement, it's not optional. Experience with BI tools and or Python are /R strongly preferred. Okay, so these are preferences, all right, as relates to what they're looking for, and SQL, this will be required. Okay, guys, so definitely put that on your resume. These are power words you want to go ahead and put on your resume. Polished communication skills and comfort working with internal and external stakeholders, including senior leadership. So they're going to want you to have leadership skills, which will be advanced leadership skills, okay, and communication skills. Ability to identify and develop business cases for strategic growth opportunities and operational improvements, and seamlessly executing projects from proposal to implementation. A self-starter with the ability to quickly respond to problems independently and consider all stakeholders' needs. Again, it is a remote position, okay? Now, let's scroll down some more and let's take a look at the pay, guys. Now, it's based on where you are. So, for US based candidates, the base pay ranges for a successful candidate are listed below. So, for these states, this is the pay range for persons living in these regions of the United States. For Washington, there we go right here, 161,000. It's between 161,000 up to 211,000. So definitely negotiate your pay, okay? And of course, qualifications, skills, experiences, and stuff like that will allow you to better negotiate. All right. And here we are for these states, that's a pay range. All other states that's not listed above will be between $139,000 to $183,000. They do have accommodation and accessibility available. Now, when you're ready to apply for this job, you're going to apply through LinkedIn. Well, you can apply through LinkedIn. All right, if you've got a LinkedIn profile, professional profile set up, and you can go ahead and do it here as well. Remember to attach your resume, all right? And they're also going to want a cover letter from you. All right, so when you're ready to apply, go ahead and submit that application, guys. All right, let me know if you like this job, if you want a more remote work from home position or in office, or if you'd prefer to see side gigs video more often. All right, happy job hunting, guys. God bless, love, and peace.